Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Ideas. In the last video, we talked about the impact of climate change on various sectors such as economy, agriculture, tourism and many more. We learned how climate change is adversely affecting these sectors. In today's video, we are going to talk about the mitigation and adaptation measures to fight climate change. But before that, let's try to understand what are these measures. Let's start with mitigation measure. Mitigation is action taken to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. ये वो greenhouse gas है जिसकी वजह से across the world weather pattern change हो रहा है. Temperature is rising, which is a key reason for climate change. Also, to enhance sink for greenhouse gases. Enhancing sink is like creating mediums जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को एब्जॉर्ब कर सके, जिसकी वजह से ये क्लाइमेट चेंज जो है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है. Now let's talk about adaptation measure. Adaptation is adjustment. What adjustment? Adjustment in practices, process and structure. क्यों कर रहे हैं हम ये adjustment? To minimize the negative impact of climate change. Now let's try to understand these measures in detail. Mitigation measure. One way is to replace fossil fuel with renewable energy. One good example can be wind energy, wind turbine, which has lower greenhouse gas emission and which will alter the impact of climate change. Use of energy efficient devices, use of energy enhanced efficient technology such as use of electrical vehicles, use of smart heating, smart cooling and smart lighting. CCS, carbon capture and storage. It is a process when carbon dioxide released from industrial plant is separated before it is released to environment. And then this carbon dioxide is transported to a location for long-term storage. Forestation आज की डेट में is most effective and easiest mitigation measures. So these two are the ways to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, whereas these two are enhancing carbon sink. Now let's talk about adaptation measures. Building or retrofitting infrastructure. What is retrofitting? Retrofitting is integrating advanced technology or equipment to make the infrastructure more efficient or adapting to current needs. इसका एक अच्छा उदाहरण हो सकता है earthquake resistance feature, which is mandatory आजकल हर building plan में. वाटर मैनेजमेंट बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि वाटर जो है एक स्कार्सिटी बनता जा रहा है. दैट्स अ रियलिटी. सो वी मस्ट स्ट्राइव फॉर ऑप्टिमल यूज ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज. कोस्टल प्रोटेक्शन. हमने लास्ट वीडियो में भी बात की कि कैसे जब भी कभी कोई नेचुरल डिजास्टर होता है जैसे फ्लड, साइक्लोन, ये जो कोस्टल सिटीज होती हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट होती हैं. तो कोस्टल एरियाज को मैक्सिमम प्रोटेक्शन, स्पेशल प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत है. क्लाइमेट रिजिलियंट एग्रीकल्चर इज सस्टेनेबल फार्मिंग, लाइक यूजिंग नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज इन अ सस्टेनेबल वे कि उसको ओवर यूज ना करें, उनको डिप्लीट ना करें. सो दीज आर द अडेप्टेशन मेजर्स. सो अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड many countries are using innovative ways, innovative mitigation measure, adaptation measure to fight climate change. आज की वीडियो में हम ऐसे ही एक एग्जाम्पल की बात करते हैं. Green Roof in Basel, Switzerland. Let's see what is this Green Roof initiative. Green roof are flat roof covered with waterproof membrane, soil and vegetation. क्या पर्पस है इसका? क्यों ग्रीन रूफ चाहिए? इसका पर्पस है टू इंक्रीज द बायोडाइवर्सिटी इन दैट एरिया, manage the water resources and reduce heat stress. How does it manage to do that? Let's understand. This initiative was launched in 2000 जब जितने भी न्यू या रिस्टोर्ड फ्लैट रूफ है उनको ग्रीन किया गया था, मींस उसमें वेजिटेशन ऐड की गई थी। क्यों की गई थी, इसका क्या पर्पस था? जैसे हमने बात की कि एक तो वेजिटेशन ऐड करने से क्या होगा, उस एरिया का बायोडाइवर्सिटी बढ़ेगा और जहाँ वेजिटेशन इंक्रीज होगा वहाँ ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई ज़्यादा होगा और जहाँ ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई ज़्यादा होगा टेम्परेचर अपने आप कंट्रोल में आएगा। सो एक पर्पस है टू एड्रेस दी प्रिडिक्टेड क्लाइमेट चेंज। और प्रिडिक्टेड क्लाइमेट चेंज क्या है? राइज इन टेम्परेचर, ऑल्टर्ड रेनफॉल पैटर्न। Basel government is providing financial incentive to citizens to promote green roof. Or as a result of this incentive and this promotion, Basel is now one of the largest green roof area per capita in the world. So the cost of green roof is 10 to 14% more than the traditional roof, and government is trying its best to make it even more affordable by reducing it 20%. If that becomes a possibility, then it will become a very financially viable and sustainable option. So in today's video, we talked about the mitigation measures, we talked about adaptation measure, we discussed green roof as a case study, that how a simple mitigation measure and adaptation measure can do wonders. इसमें ऐसा क्या था? They just added vegetation to the roof, और सिर्फ by adding that vegetation they are enhancing the biodiversity, greenery बढ़ रही है जिसकी वजह से temperature भी control होगा, using water resources. So it's a beautiful example how a simple measure can tackle climate change. So now is the time for your task. A well-developed nation like Switzerland can afford to provide financial incentives to citizens to adopt more sustainable practices. But how can a low-income nation with limited funds will encourage its citizens to do the same? That is all for today. I will see you very soon in next video. Till then, take care. Happy learning.